In this video, we will walk through the relative date filter, which dynamically filters data based on a date range relative to today or a specified reference date. So let's get started. First, we add the super filter to the report, then drag and adjust it accordingly. Next, populate the category field with the date column. By default, the date slider appears in the report. To enhance visibility, we navigate to the Format pane, disable the toolbar option, and switch to the relative date filter. To do this, we go to the Date Filter section in the Format pane and select Relative Date under Selection Style. The default selection feature allows users to configure predefined selections in the visual, ensuring a consistent starting point for analysis. For example, we select Past Month from the drop-down menu. Then, we set the selection count to 3, filtering the report to show data for the last 3 months relative to today. Now, we can change the relative date to the last 7 days in the filter. This allows users to filter time periods such as last 3 months, next 7 days, or this year, ensuring the data remains up to date without manual adjustments. This is how you can use relative date filtering in the Inforiver Super Filter. Download Inforiver Super Filter from Microsoft App Source to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.